Watch this trenching beast slice through the earth like butter, carving a perfect ditch in mere seconds. Efficiency meets pure visual satisfaction. Next, a genius invention, an automated ditch closer that seals crop trenches without lifting a finger. Goodbye manual labor, hello farming future. A burst pipe? No problem. Just pack clay over the leak and boom, the water stops instantly. This stump remover doesn't mess around, gripping the whole thing, roots and all, and yanking it clean out of the ground. No chainsaws needed. Skill and power in one move. Logs gone in seconds. A tilting truck bed lets gravity do all the unloading work. Watch this automated paint wizard roll out perfect street lines with laser precision. A heavy-duty bending tool transforms thick rebar into perfect curves, smooth, strong, and damage-free. Meet the robotic concrete finisher, smoothing wet cement to perfection in minutes, no hands required. If you love clever machines like this, tap subscribe. 2 bamboo rails, 1 redirected tire, and suddenly, bricks are bouncing straight into a barrel. Simple, but brilliant. A tire mold shapes perfect circular brick patterns, removed cleanly once the tires lifted away. This weighted demolition hammer swings side to side, crushing walls like they're made of paper. Tree climbing spikes let workers scale huge trunks like superheroes. That's skill worth a like. Flexible sealant fills brick joints, moving with the wall so cracks never form. This cable hack untangles messy wires in seconds and keeps them tangle-free forever.
Slice a paintbrush at an angle, and suddenly painting tight corners is a breeze.
Add an umbrella to your roller handle, and goodbye paint splatter to the face. Time saved, mess avoided. Subscribe for more hacks like this. Pour concrete into decorative molds to create perfect stepping stones, identical every time. This long-handled shovel digs post holes deeper with fewer scoops. Simple efficiency.
A high-power pump drains 5 feet of floodwater in minutes. A tractor-mounted spreader lays soil fast for planting. Farming done the smart way. Like-worthy? Absolutely. Watch this stair-climbing dolly haul heavy loads upstairs without breaking a sweat. Heat a plastic pipe, press it closed, and it's permanently sealed. Expanding foam fills gaps under flooring, boosting insulation and strength. Curved brick walls built perfectly thanks to a guide template. Creative masonry at its best. Subscribe if you agree. Two sanding rollers strip rust from metal cylinders at lightning speed. Numbered stencils pressed into dirt by a bulldozer create instant station markings.
In China, walls get a high-tech insulation upgrade, soundproof and thermal protection in one.
Crosswalks painted perfectly to code with a guided striping machine. Precision like this, definitely like-worthy. When a tire's stuck, a rope and a second vehicle handle the removal in seconds. Bamboo bundles unload in one smooth, controlled release. Heat and bend a railing into smooth curves for a perfect staircase finish. A mechanical grabber lifts multiple cinder blocks at once. No hands needed. A drywall cut to match curved posts fits flawlessly on the first try. Tree planting done right. Roots positioned perfectly. Soil compacted for growth. Thick plaster blobs smoothed evenly for a clean, uniform wall finish. This excavator digs deep holes in record time. Now that's power. A drilling head bores through heavy clay with almost no effort from the operator. A boom-mounted concrete sprayer coats entire walls evenly, no walking required.